Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable customer accounts on your Shopify store. First, open your Shopify admin dashboard. This is the page where you control your Shopify store. You can use this page to manage your products, orders, customers, payments, and store settings. Make sure you are logged into the right Shopify account before you continue, especially if you manage more than one store. Once you are inside your Shopify dashboard, look at the left side of the screen. You will see a menu with different options. This menu helps you move around your store settings easily. Now, scroll down and click Settings. The Settings button is usually found near the bottom left side of the page. This is where you can change many important parts of your store. For example, you can change your checkout options, store details, shipping settings, and customer account settings. After clicking Settings, a new page will open with different store options. Take your time and look through the list so you can find the correct option. Next, click Customer Accounts. This is the section where you can control how customers sign in to your store. Customer accounts are helpful because they let customers check their orders, save their information, and shop again more easily in the future when they visit your store. When customer accounts are turned on, your customers do not have to enter the same information again every time they buy something. This can make the shopping process faster and easier for them. After that, look for the option that lets customers log in to your store. Shopify may show you more than one choice for customer accounts. You just need to choose the option that allows customers to use accounts on your store. Read the options slowly so you can pick the right one. If you want customers to be able to sign in and see their order information, make sure the customer account option is turned on. This will allow them to access their account when they visit your store. Now, make sure the sign-in option is enabled for your online store. This means customers should be able to find a login button, account icon, or account link on your store. The way it looks may depend on your Shopify theme, but the main idea is the same. Customers need a clear way to sign in. If the login option is not showing right away, do not worry. Some themes may place it in the menu, header, or account area. You can check your store after saving the changes to make sure it is working. Next, click Save. This step is very important. If you change the setting but do not save it, Shopify will not keep the change. Always make sure you click Save before leaving the page. After saving, wait for the page to finish loading. Once the changes are saved, Shopify will apply the customer account setting to your store. Now, open your online store and check if the customer account option is showing. You can do this by viewing your store like a normal visitor. Look at the top menu, header, or main menu area. Try to find the login button, account icon, or account link. If you see the option, that means customer accounts are now enabled on your Shopify store. You can also click it to make sure it opens the sign-in page correctly. Once this is done, your customers can now sign in to their accounts. They can use their account to view order details and use saved information when shopping again. This makes your store easier to use and gives your customers a better shopping experience. And that is how you enable customer accounts on your Shopify store. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.